Hi everyone, my name is Arjun, and today I want to share a story. My story. A few years ago, I was a very negative person. I didn't believe in myself. Every time I failed, I told myself, I can't do this. I'm not good enough. I'll never succeed. Those words became my reality. I felt sad, weak, and hopeless. One day, my teacher, Miss Mira, noticed how quiet and sad I was. After class, she called me and said, Arjun, why do you keep saying I can't? You're limiting yourself. I looked down and whispered, because it's true, ma'am. I always fail. I'm just not smart. She smiled gently and said something I'll never forget. Arjun, words are powerful. Change your words, and you'll change your life. She gave me one simple rule. Every time you think something negative, replace it with a positive thought. At first, I didn't believe it would work, but I decided to try. When I thought, I can't do math, I changed it to, I can learn math step by step. When I thought, this is too hard, I replaced it with, this is a challenge, and I'm improving. Every morning I stood in front of the mirror and said, I'm smart, I'm strong, I can do this. At first, it felt strange. But slowly, I started to believe my own words. I became more confident, more positive, and happier. When I made mistakes, I didn't call myself a failure anymore. Instead, I said, it's okay. I'm learning, day by day. My grades improved. My teachers noticed. My friends noticed. And most importantly, I noticed. A year later, I was one of the top students in my class. When Ms. Mira saw my progress, she said, I'm proud of you, Arjun. You changed your thoughts and your life. I smiled and replied, thank you, ma'am. You taught me the most powerful lesson. When I think positive, I stay strong. Friends, I want you to remember this. Your thoughts create your reality. If you keep saying I can't, you'll believe it. But if you start saying I can, you'll begin to see change. Let's practice together. Write one negative sentence in the comments and change it into a positive one. Example, I can't speak English. Change to I can improve my English every day. So keep learning, keep believing, and remember. Think positive, stay strong.